sealed in a clean room in California, NASA's new $5 billion space probe called Europa Clipper. It's the largest spacecraft NASA has ever built for a planetary mission and is due to launch in October with the goal of finding conditions that could sustain life here, Europa, one of dozens of moons orbiting Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system.
We have a 5.5-year trajectory that goes from Kennedy in Florida to Jupiter. Once we arrive, it's about 6 months to get into a harmonious orbit with Europa, and then 4 years for our primary science mission. So 10 years of flight once we launch.
NASA expects Clipper to reach Europa's orbit by 2031. It will then study a moon that has tantalized scientists for decades. Since the 1970s, they have suspected its icy outer shell hid a liquid water ocean beneath. Today, scientists say Europa could have double the amount of water of all of Earth's oceans, and the moon is one of the most promising places in the solar system to look for extraterrestrial life.
One of the fundamental questions that NASA wants to understand is, are we alone in the cosmos? If we were to find the conditions for life, then that would say, hey, in our own solar system, there are two examples of life, Earth and Europa.
NASA says that if life could form in two places in our solar system, then it's likely to exist across our galaxy and beyond. But this latest probe doesn't have the tools to test for life itself on Europa. And project leaders say that's not the goal of the mission. This mission is focused on finding out whether Europa could sustain life. There won't be any little green men floating in Europa's oceans, but the discovery of anything living there at all would open a whole new chapter in space exploration. John Su and Joyce Tseng for TaiwanPlus.